Hi guys, I'm so excited because I found a Brother X SE630 on clearance at Walmart a few weeks ago. And even though it's still going to be a 4x4, I'm excited to have an upgrade of a color screen and the ability to do some other stuff like arched lettering and things like that. So that's what this machine offers compared to my SE425, which is the same thing as an SE400. And I love that machine. I still use it all the time. It is a dang champ. So I didn't get this because the SE400 is not great. I got it because I wanted another machine. And this one was on sale, and I just happen to have a little bit of money. So when you open it up, it comes with, that's just the cover, so it's not that important, but it comes with all these tools, cords, foot pedal, which I don't use, and the hoop and the hoop guide. So we're going to just set this stuff down and pull that up. Very, very well packed. So that was in there trying to give it a boost. Or not give it a boost, but give it structure. Not trying to give it structure. It was giving it structure. So here's your manuals. And there's a quick reference guide. And then you're going to have your manual. And then I believe it's going to be another manual in a different language. So there's your quick reference guide, an embroidery design guide. That's the accessories that are included, an operation manual, and then there is an operation manual in another language. And I'm not going to guess what language that is because I don't want to offend anybody with my ignorance. And we get registration for the warranty. They want you to go online and do the registration. As a thank you for your brother machine embroidery purchase, or your embroidery machine purchase, you get a free to redeem your 400 included 4x4 designs. Oh, so you have to download those designs? This will be another video. Alright, so then also you have this got designs, not like these, downloadable embroidery designs exclusively for brother customers. So it's mostly going to be like a lot of cool licensed Disney stuff. So that's really neat. So there's all the paperwork, accessories, and then here is the base for the embroidery machine part. You don't need this to use this as a sewing machine, but if you want to do the embroidery part, you're going to need this big baby. So that's really nice. Very pretty, and they got it all taped up so it couldn't get messed up during shipping, but watch, I'm going to find a way to mess it up. Okay. And that extra stuff out. And it's just sitting in here in more styrofoam, so it's super nicely packed. We're going to put this box in here. Whew, a little too close to the edge of the table. Oh my gosh, there she is. Oh, she's beautiful. I gotta see what you guys are seeing. Very nice. Okay, so where did that cord go? I'm not gonna make this that much longer. This is not meant to be a super long video, but I do want to turn it on and see the screen. I'm not a big fan of a lot of plastic, but I am a big fan of how sturdy everything is packed in here. The cord's nice and pliable, it's not all stiff and weird. It's very cool. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh wait. Lift that up, take that out. Well, I was going to do all that later. We can still turn it on. It's just going to be in sewing mode, as you can see. It's got the sewing foot on, the sewing setup, so we don't have the embroidery setup. So it's just going to show us the sewing screen. Is what I believe. That's what it would be on the SE400. Oh, cool! It's got a little like opening screen that gives you inspiration. Oh, I love this. Okay. So is there a home? Select your language. English. Okay. And there it goes. Oh, I love this. So this is like just your regular straight stitch. And I think you can push this button. Oh gosh, I'm going to really have to play a lot with this. I'm not going to be able to give anybody any kind of indication what any of this stuff looks like until I can do the machine. But this is what it looks like in sewing mode. When you want to put it in embroidery mode, you put this on, but you also have to change the foot, because you can't embroider with the sewing machine foot. All right, well, more videos to come. I hope you guys enjoyed this.